Hey guys, Willie Bees here. How many times have you guys went out to where you've got your comb stored, whether it be brood comb, your honey supers, and you haven't really looked at them all winter long, and now here it is March, and you go, man, I need to start getting that brood comb out, get it ready to go on the hives, because it's not going to be long before they're going to need to be boxes added to them. Won't be long, first part of April, you need to have your honey supers added. And you go out there and you open your boxes up. If you've got them in totes, if you've got them in bags, some people put them in bags, some people just stack their boxes up. And they don't use, like me, I'm more chemical free. I don't use Paramoth, any of that stuff. And you open your box, and this is what you pull out. You pull out a frame where the wax moths has been eating on it. Well, this is a friend of mine's frame. He left it here with me. I told him, I said, let me borrow that for a day to make a video. Yeah, that's not fun, especially when you need it. That right there is my secret weapon. The bug zapper. I keep it running in my shop on up into December. I usually turn it off in January and February and then turn it back on in March, because that's when you'll start seeing wax moths show up again. And I store mine just right out in the open. Shop's a mess. I'm getting ready to start putting out swarm traps. But just thought I'd do this little video. I've got this is all brood comb. This is what's going in the swarm traps as lures. I've got boxes of drone comb there that's that's been chewed on where it's been robbed out, but just boxes of it. Put a campaign sign between it. All this has been run through the freezer, and then I just store it out here. But yeah, I use these produce boxes I get at Aldi's because they're just the right size for deep. Stack deep frames in there or mediums, either one. Those are medium brood frames that'll be going back on for the medium hives that people want to buy. Got just stacks of them. These swarm traps are all full of brood comb. They've got one full sheet of brood comb in there. Honey supers stacked up there. Just like I said, pardon the mess. It's just I'm in the work in progress, but this used to be just stacks of boxes all the way almost to the ceiling of comb, because I just added a bunch of boxes to my bees yesterday. So I went through probably 30 boxes of drone comb, brood comb to put on, and some of it, like that one right there, has got honey in it. Put it on the hives. But that's my tip for keeping wax moth damage to a very minimum. I use a bug zapper. You guys have a great day. Hit that like and subscribe button. Share that video with whoever you think might need it. Because we all need to be helping each other out to defeat all the things we've got going against our honeybees. Have a great day.